Golden Iris Productions presents Journals of Our Journey to Japan. Poems by Ford E. Dennis. Part 2. Sussex, New Jersey, May 1, 1973.
Kanto 9. Our boy Nady is up at 5, scanning the yard for things alive. Train strike over and kids must go back to their school in Tokyo. Feels like spring this first day of May. Warm south wind is blowing today. Pilgrimage planned to dairy farm, another view of Valley of Charm. Azaleas on hillsides abound. Slowly we zigzag our way down. Two-way mirrors at the sharp points. There's a score of these elbow joints. 10 miles to the farm from the top. Dairy is run by Koji's pop. Reforestation practiced here. Wedges of new growth year by year. Pasture fields hanging on the hill. I climb up a ways, what a thrill. A massive mountain seamed and ridged. A narrow valley, stream twice bridged. A little town way down below. Time has passed swiftly, we must go. Quickly home, Dick teaches at 3. Dick, Bill Reese and his son, and me, head for Ueda to language school. But first to Maruko, a jewel. 12 girls in Dick's English class at Maruko High School, 12 girls that are alert, attractive, and smart. Singing Bible also a part. How nice it would be if they all became Christians someday. Back to Ueda, few miles away. 2 long classes here each Monday. English taught in modern way. Video, lectures, tapes to play. Very tired, home by 11. Thoughtful about joys of heaven. Lord, may our lips and lives express the blessed gospel we profess. Let our work and virtues shine, and bear a fragrance all divine. Kanto 10. Meet Mr. R. Oya Station. Start of our 2-day vacation. He leads us westward through the hills. Higher we get, the more the thrills. Farmland, sawmills, cut-off hillsides, brush-piled to discourage slides. We climb up to Venus Line Drive. Onward to the summit we strive. Snow clouds soaking the top with dew. Tundra, snowbanks, huge boulders too. Ski lodge, ski lift, chilly indeed. Rest station stop, then we proceed. Down the long trail to Suwa City. Below the clouds, it's very pretty. Suwa, tourist city so grand. Suwa, Switzerland of Japan. Had appointment at Yashika to see making of camera. Disappointment at factory. Striking workers could not see.
To Matsumoto on the plain. Historic place of blood and pain. Matsumoto Castle of old. 400-year feudal stronghold. 2 hours to explore and admire. Picture-taking, a great desire. Backdrop of Alps covered with snow. Have fine dinner before we go. 50 miles, Nagano City. Hills, river valley, so pretty. Followed the valley and the river. Electric power to deliver. By dams and plants producing same. Series of lakes have made it tame. Tasty meal sponsored by our host. Still many miles from northern coast. Nagano is bustling Japan. Hosts for gals, Nakamura clan. Leaving them, Dick, Dan, and I rode up the hill to Mr. R's abode. Hosts for us, Mr. R and his wife. We pray they have abundant life.
Kanto 11. From a restful night we arose. Chilly morning, we need more clothes. Futon on the floor served us great. Picked up the girls to start the slate. Climbed the mountain to see the shrine. Views of the city, really fine. Explored 2 shrines soon as we could. Zenkoji, old one made of wood. Buddhist temple, dating way back. Built in 664, in fact. Many pictures are taken there. Lots of people, holiday fare. We left our host regretfully. Drove south through Chikuma Valley. River empties in Japan Sea. We hurry along so that we won't be late. Many things to see. Hills at times narrow the valley. Dick says many onions grown here. Pine Island-like, it's very clear. Men of the soil who toil from birth, who go for strength to Mother Earth. To Fujiwara farm we came, Wisteria field, regal name. Tetsuya, his sister, also, we met at school in Maruko. Another feast was waiting here. We're an overstuffed group, I fear. Happy are we, and that we are. We're not just tourists from afar, but guests of these grand country folk. Tombo, greenhouse, farming's no joke. Cucumbers growing on some strings. The women talked of many things, about how things are done in the West. One wanted to measure my chest. We ate again, then on our way. Home, we've only this night to stay. Don't know what our God has in store, but it's good to be home once more. Like the song Baptists used to sing, win them one by one. Inspiring.
Canto 12. Lots of noise in the house at 5. Whatever it is, it's alive. I went downstairs to meet Tom Mann, who will soon be leaving Japan, returning home after 5 years. Wife, 4 kids, many cheers and tears. Coffee with mom and idle talk. It's very early, took short walk. Breakfast, Dick busy, many things. Our luggage packed, tied are the strings. Sharon and I chanced to meet 2 men walking down the street. We are gaijins, out for a walk. We could tell they wanted to talk. Excellent English by the one, Tokyo doctor, also son. Declined to visit home near here. Last shopping, departures are quite near. We piled in wagon with a sigh to Karuizawa, goodbye. Down the sweeping big curves we went. A big truck passing almost sent us up the curb to avoid crash. On toward Tokyo we dash. Yokota Air Force Base, to eat. Cafeteria, nice and neat. Most Yankees we've seen for a week. Sony store, recorder we seek. Then to Team Center, Tokyo. Fine meal. Then we decided to go to the Ginza 44, the nightlife place. Everything's at a rapid pace. Bright lights, show places, shops galore. Bought a vinyl bag in one store. People, a sight to see. One man tried his English on me. We spent 2 hours and then returned. By train and bus. We then adjourned. By a walk up the hill to Team. A little rest, coffee and cream, and much conversation to share. Joys we share as we tarry there.
Kanto 13. Could hear it raining in the night, still pouring as the skies get light. Wind in the south and very warm. Hope that this is a local storm. Breakfast over, everyone's about. Confidently, we all start out. Kamakura, coastal town. Rained so hard, thought we would drown. The great Buddha, 40 feet high, repose and calm belies the sky. Tourists scurrying through the rain, pictures and warmth helped ease the pain. Entered the coast road right away, wind and high seas hit the bay. Fishing fleet beached behind seawall, across the road, greatest sight of all. Kentucky Colonel, chicken fried. Boy, did we all hurry inside. Odawara, the route to the sky, the bullet train goes flashing by. We leave the road to Izu here. Clouds are lifting, the sun is near. Bright sun as we look back below, pictures of coast before we go. Winding upward, fairyland scene. Buoyant clouds, hills very serene. Lake Ashinoko, below clouds. Few people were there, but no great crowds. We were lost for a while in fog, so dense 'twas like a burning bog. Odawara toll road, tunnels fine. Stopped to visit a hillside shrine. Dick, as always, way out ahead, turned to say something, said instead, "Oh, look at that," and there it stood. Fujiyama, clouds like a hood. 12,000 feet it stands, a stalwart symbol for all Japans. Picked up the kids 1 hour late, to Team Center after we ate. Fairly good day after bad start. Tomorrow's the day we depart.
Kanto 14. Up very early. Sun's up too. Millie and kids to Yeno Zoo. Team Center, headquarters this day. From rooftop, Fuji's far away. Mushroom-like up out of the plain. Air is clear now after the rain. Heroes are they that climb her slopes. Claims many lives, dims many hopes. Took our bus and train rides once more. Emperor's Castle to explore. Joining with us the day to pass. Brigitte Jensen, Danish lass. Courier, Korean orphans. returning home via Japan's. Many pictures are taken there, joyful moments later to share. To McDonald's near Street of Banks, to eat and join rest of our ranks. Then back to team to get our gear. End of the day is drawing near. Million kids by monorail. Mitsuka came to see us sail. We went upstairs to board our flight. It is canceled, they said. We might have to wait 4 hours for the 10 o'clock to Honolulu. Then Dick and Millie left for their home. Soon we were out over the foam. Our flight is being reinstated. Hawaii, were some belated. Confusion eased, departure pain. An act of God, it's very plain. Indeed, O Lord, how great thou art. We seek thee now as we depart. Grateful and thankful that we are. Dick, Millie, the kids, and the car, for all their help seeing this land. Just being with them sure was grand. Although they are so far away, they're really with us every day. We'll cherish always thoughts so grand of the days we spent in Japan.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. For more content, visit my 2 YouTube channels. Mark F. Dennis at Golden Iris Knowledge Quest, where we explore physics, cosmology, science, and emerging ideas about the structure of the universe. And Mark F. Dennis at Golden Iris Religion Quest, where we examine religion, spirituality, biblical studies, Jewish mysticism, and the history of religious thought. Your support helps these channels continue to grow and allows me to create more presentations, books, and educational content. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.